Hello guys, good morning to all of you. This is Magiras here, and now we are going to get discuss about the explanation of N type and P type of semiconductors. So uh, before this, you know that these are the energy level. That means this is the conduction band and this is the valence band. So simply we can say that this is the energy level of EC and this is energy level of EV. Okay, so here due to the external or due to the extrinsic semiconductor or due to the impurities, here form some energy level, just like some energy level which lies below the conduction band, that is known as energy level due to the donor atom, that is ED, and its lies 0.01 electron volts energy level. Okay, so it is happen in the N types of semiconductor, and for the same in P type of semiconductor, this is the conduction band and this is the valence band. So some energy level also be developed, that is lies the upper level from the valence band energy, and this is known as E energy. EA means acceptor energy level, and it lies from 0.0 to 0.505 electron volt. So simply we can say that the some energy will also be developed due to the impurities, due to the extrinsic semiconductors, that is known as ED and EA. And ED means the energy that be developed by the donor atom, and EA means the energy that which is developed by the acceptor atom. So this donor energy lies the below from conduction energy, and acceptor energy lies above from the valence energy. This energy level lies ED is approx 0.01 electron volt and EA lies 0.0 to 0.05 electron volts. Okay, so it happened in the N type and it happened in the P type. So both condition happened at T equals to 0 Kelvin. Okay, so both situation will happen at temperature greater than 0 Kelvin. So now let me discuss here the explanation of P type of semiconductors. You know that whenever impurities mixed with the pure semiconductor, then there will form the N type and P type. So whenever pentavalent impurities with the pure semiconductor, then formed N type semiconductor, and whenever trivalent impurities mixed with the pure semiconductor, then form P type semiconductor. So let me discuss here first of all explanation of N type means negative type of semiconductor. So whenever a pentavalent impurity just like arsenic plus 5 mixed with the pure semiconductor like this is the pure semiconductor like silicon, and each silicon atom contains the 4 electrons. Okay, so like this. According to this is the lattice structure whenever mix the pure pentavalent impurities in the pure semiconductor. Okay, so here the pentavalent impurities just like arsenic plus 5 mixed with the pure semiconductor like silicon plus 4. So 4 electron of this arsenic plus 5 like this 1, 2, 3 and 4 makes the covalent bond of the 4 electron of nearer silicon atom, just like 1 electron of this silicon atom, 1 electron of this silicon atom, and 1 electron this silicon atom, and 1 electron of this silicon atom. Even now 1 electron also available in excess amount. This is the 5th electron of the arsenic plus 5 atom. ओके, यहाँ पर देखते हैं कि आर्सेनिक प्लस 5 एटम के पास एक एक्सेस इलेक्ट्रॉन है जो कि 5th इलेक्ट्रॉन जो कि पार्टिसिपेशन में कोई हिस्सा नहीं ले रहा. ओके, सो सिंपली वी कैन से दैट whenever pentavalent impurities mixed with the pure semiconductor, pentavalent impurities just like arsenic plus 5 mixed with the pure semiconductor like silicon plus 4, then 1 electron, it means 4 electron of the arsenic plus 5 atom get form the covalent bond with the 4 electron of nearer silicon atoms, okay, electrons. So here form the 4 covalent bond with the arsenic plus 5 and silicon atom, but 1 electron in excess amount till now of this arsenic plus 5 atom, and this electron ejected or emits or works as a charge carrier whenever it get free by the thermal expansion, okay, और ये इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्री होता है. सो ड्यू टू दिस इट्स एटम इज नोन एज डोनर एटम एंड दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज नोन एज free electrons, okay. So in this way its diagram for the n types of semiconductor is noted like this. This is the code of positive, just like this, and here this is electron, means it is the free electrons which works as the charge carrier, and this is the code of donor atom, code of donor atom which donate this electron for the needed atom, okay. So this is the explanation of the n types of semiconductor. Here a pentavalent just like arsenic plus 5 impurity mixed with the pure semiconductor like silicon plus 4. So 4 electron of this arsenic plus 5 get form the covalent bond with the 4 electrons of the nearer silicon atom, whereas 1 electron is in the excess amount till now of this arsenic plus 5 atom for the sharing, which is remaining left for the sharing. So which works as a charge carrier whenever due to the some thermal expansion this electron will emit. So this works as a free electron, this known as a free electron which works as a charge carrier, यानी आवेश लाने और ले जाने का वर्क करता है. ड्यू टू दिस इट नोन एज अ फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड दिस एटम इज नोन एज द donor atom, and this is the symbol of the negative type of semiconductor. In the same way, whenever pentavalent in the explanation of the p types of semiconductors, so here trivalent impurities mixed with the pure semiconductor as like this. This is the aluminium plus 3, okay. This is the trivalent impurity which mixed with the pure semiconductor like silicon, like this. So this is the lattice structure of this combination, like this. Okay, so here this aluminium which contains 3 electrons means 1 electron, 1 electron and 1 electron. Even after heat maintain the 3 covalent bond with the 3 nearer silicon atom like this. जो हमने बड़े साइज में दिखा रहे हैं ये इलेक्ट्रॉन है सिलिकॉन एटम का, like this. देखिए, लेकिन 4th इलेक्ट्रॉन जो सिलिकॉन एटम के पास है, ओके, उससे शेयरिंग करने के लिए इस एल्यूमिनियम के पास कोई 4th इलेक्ट्रॉन अवेलेबल नहीं है. सो दिस इज नोन एज एम्प्टी, मींस होल. सो वी कैन से दैट whenever trivalent impurity just like Al plus 3 mixed with the pure semiconductor like Si+4 silicon atom. So here 3 electrons of the aluminium atom are trivalent impurities just like aluminium get form the covalent bond with the 3 electrons of the nearer silicon atom, but here one covalent bond remains incomplete due to the lack of electron with the aluminium plus 3 atom. यानी aluminium plus 3 के पास चौथा इलेक्ट्रॉन अवेलेबल नहीं है, इसलिए फोर्थ कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड जो बनना था वो अभी इनकम्प्लीट रहेगा. सो दिस space is filled by that free electrons which donated by any donor atom. So ये free electron से complete किया जाएगा. Completed free space by free electron which donates by any donor atom. किसी डोनर एटम के थ्रू डोनेट किया जाएगा तब यहाँ पर ये कंप्लीट होगा. फिलहाल ये स्पेस एम्प्टी है ड्यू टू द लैक ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन टू द एल्यूमिनियम एटम. सो दिस एम्प्टी स्पेस इज नोन एज होल एंड दिस एटम व्हिच कंटेन्स दिस होल इज नोन एज एक्सेप्टर एटम. ओके, so this is known as acceptor atom. Clear? So this is the explanation of p-type semiconductor and its symbol is just like p-type means positive type of semiconductor. This is the probe of acceptor atom and this is the hole and it is the probe of acceptor atom. Okay, so in this way we will explain the p types of semiconductor. Here again explain it. This the trivalent impurity just like aluminium mixed with the pure semiconductor like Si+4, then the 3 electrons of this aluminium plus 3 atom get covalent bond with the 3 electrons of the nearer electron of silicon atom, where the fourth covalent bond is incompleted due to the lack of electron to the aluminium plus 3 atom. So this empty space is known as hole and this empty space completed by any free electron which donated by any donor atom. So this is hole and the atom which contains this hole is known as acceptor atom and this is the symbolic of the positive type of p-type semiconductors.